Hey guys, TJ Lawton here, and today I want to show you this effect inside Serum, which I don't really see that many people showing. In fact, I can't recall where I even found this. I didn't personally discover this. I must have got it through a course or something I bought years ago, but it's an effect in Serum that I've been smashing quite crazy for years now, and I love it. I put it on almost everything, basses, pads, leads, plucks, like whatever. I just love the way it adds all this lo-fi grainy texture to it, adds a lot of drive and distortion as well, makes all these crazy sounds. So I'm going to show you two sounds I've made here. One is like a plucky bass sound, and one of them is an atmospheric pad. So we'll start with like the plucky bass sound, and just listen to the effect that this is doing from just in Serum. There's nothing else on here. It's just Serum. Listen to what this automation does, and then I'll play it again without the thing turned on, and you'll hear what I mean. Fucking sick, isn't it? Anyway, so without further ado, what we got here is if you go to the effects tab, we're using Serum's filter, but we've got it set to reverb mode. Now this thing is nutty. I have 100% wet mix, and then I have automation here controlling the cutoff, and then I have a bit of an LFO triggering some resonance and some drive just to give it more pump. But if I turn it off, you'll hear it changes the sound quite a lot. Sounds quite digital, quite like almost a bit flat in comparison. Let's turn it back on. Sounds a lot more driven, fatter, wider, distorted, grainy. It's like really nice, especially if you like making analog style music, like melodic techno and stuff like that. Even like darker shades of music, maybe even like dubstep or something. I don't know. Really cool. So yeah, check out this preset under the filter. Go mist and then reverb. I think also it's probably here as well. Yeah, it is. So you could do it on this level as well. I prefer doing it here because then you get all these extra controls, and then you can do all that while you have like this for your more of your shape, and then using this more for your texture. Then I listen to the same thing here. I've got like an atmosphere sound. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna turn it off, and it's already got quite a lot of processing on it. But let's see what this atmosphere sounds like without it. Pretty cool drone, very grainy already, but again sounds quite flat in comparison to what the reverb well, the filter with the reverb setting on it will do. Just a lot more thick. I can really feel it like around me and stuff like that. I absolutely love it. And you can get really crazy with the settings and stuff. Like you can add loads of different layers to this, and well, not layers, but I mean you can really drive it up with the cutoff and the resonance and the drive and stuff, which I'll do now and show you. Amazing, really, really cool stuff. So yeah, that's something I just want to show off today. I think it's a really cool little feature in Serum you don't really see much of. In itself, it's like its own sort of filter and distortion and stereo width. And yeah, you could even use the Serum FXs standalone, for example. If I just grab that here, you can even use it without having to use Serum. If you're making a sound like in Diva or Pigments or anything, or you have a sample, you don't have to use Serum to get this effect. You can just come and get Serum FX, which is the standalone effect unit, and just grab it and just play around from there. You can add even more drive and even more distortion. But yeah, there you go. That's just a quick video I wanted to make today, show you the reverb filter inside of Serum. Absolutely phenomenal. I think it sounds amazing. Might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I definitely say check it out. Also check out the other settings it's got in the filter. I'm sure there's loads of stuff in there that's really just going to mess your sound up in a really awesome way. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Cheers.